aladon ka jingmun away ka bered aklam nang man sedang atiar kaladon ndrei sngo kumbadang dan hi jing duna adon kam jing arab ka jing krishan aklam tip shei ban phai hangta ngalap ka chief ministers championship challenge basdang ha hajar khat khandai ka sarkar jila meghalaya ka CMECC 6.0 amdei tang ka jing khun kadai ka jaka ba ailat yakibatre kam lojong manusnam shispa san pungut ya shimbenta nang ni hinyo pusan ngut yo ya chkhmat yo shimbenta haka program bakhandai banai haka incubation program jong ka prime yo jing yarab ba jing hikai hentip bat yo lat ban poi shak yo ki hat bai hap ya ki mar jong phi ki lat ban pen kyo ya ka kam jong phi bat kham tam ka jing kershan ban pen kyo bat yarab ya ki entrepreneur yo ru ya ka jing kershan ya ki business grand dilai pusan bawan chakman yo arlak tengka bat kisau pho bawan nadien yo silak tengka nang ni phyo ajaka ban tre ya laki kam kitiar ban yarap ban kyo yo jing yarap rendeng bat ki kam legal documentation
kaladei ka por banedan benta bat ka prime na ka benta kalawai pa pharna ila sha
ka CMECC 6.0 kwa bat pin pikir tang hakakam jong phi ka CMECC kala incubate bun ki entrepreneur na ki khatar district ka jela la pen mi bun ba ki kam bala pen kala jing em jong bara hidan ka jing mut ngin ai ka jing kershan shim benta haka prime
the toy poru join mi ka prime mi halia muntu
ne benta ka step ka mangawi ko phu ko phe
Ka Chairperson Jngoh State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Ka Agatha Sangma, rengkat bagi khot Jngoh Commission, haka khat khandai terek u nailar arhajar arhusan. Leit ke Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital ban pej ke Khynnah, ke belasha thombor ke belasha Dung da u ternia injection hagi Runar. Ba ke Leit u bani kendu hagi doktor ban kli benia ke jinglong jingman jong ke Khynnah. Ka Agatha Sangma kalau ong ba ke Leit kren bagane ke Khynnah bagadap da kejing kemen bawa la kene ke Khynnah ke belasha Dung du injection dan kedan pat ke bor perkhat ke babiang da ke belet hak mi mardor iladi hak jaka sumar bat banca sumar hapo hospital bat kelero ke jingdon kene ke Khynnah kene guru kom perkhat namar haswa banjai ai kala yo no ke jing sumar Ka Agatha Sangma kalau ong bakalong ke jingja ke bala pendit namar ke deke ke ga bampat juja hapo ke jela bat kesung khuslai bagan jakum ne bat ke commission ke program jore kene ke jingle ke bakum kene bak kuat bagi jela kan deke basnganya ke Khynnah halo ke jing sungu sier bagi jing khuslai ki kine ki ta ban tha hino yang ki pun school Ka Agatha Sangma kalau ong bagan ke dei tang kawi ke jingja belajar hapo ke jela megalaya ndrei salon sarhi ki Khynnah ki lech ki school lekentu ki Khynnah bagi ben beteng men lech ki school bat kim dei men chap tiang tang namar jong ne kawi ke jingja bat ka kermen bat duai bakini ki balik ke kam sniu kin syakem no Ka Chairperson Jngoh State Commission for Protection of Child Rights kalau ong bagi pulet kira pelong ke jing toket lo kene ke jingja bat ka kermen scam bagian la ban kem no ki Runar ki badan keti bat ka lepen sulur ki Khynnah bagi de ben beteng men school bat ka sarkar bagi emlang salang kin ha penong ki bahusiar bat ki bapit ngor ba bat ka deiru bandan ke jing pahara ke baklan kam tameh ki jaka ki bajumi kum kini ki jingja.
This is a very shocking incident which we have not seen in our state before, and I'm really alarmed and I'm very worried about things like this happening. As of now, we spoke to the doctor. As of now, the child is stable and there is nothing serious in her condition. But in general, these kind of incidences, one has to be very careful. And I mean, as a commission, we really condemn things like this happening, and we really want to have a state where our children are safe. She was just going to school, and being able to go to school safely is something that is a sort of a right of every child. and we really hope that we can provide that for our children. So it's a collective effort. Government has to do its part and the society has to do its part. You as a media, you are really raising voices, and I'm really glad to create awareness among people. You're doing that, and even we as a commission, we are trying to do whatever is in our power to make a more sensitive society. So I mean, it is a collective effort, and I came and I visited the girl, and I spoke to her, and I'm glad that she had the presence of mind. After she was injected, she had the presence of mind to go and check herself in the pharmacy, get herself admitted. So that presence of mind is very, very important as well. So before anything major would happen to her, she could get medical attention. See, I believe there are some CCTVs in the area where the route is, where the schools are, and it's firstly very important that all these CCTVs are functional, and we have to create a much more better surveillance in our state. Also, wherever possible, we should have better security systems. And in general, this is one case that has happened in Meghalaya, but in general, our children are able to go to school safely. So I would encourage children to continue to go to school. Do not get discouraged because of one incident that has happened. And I hope and I pray that the perpetrators are caught. But currently we don't have any CCTV footage or any sort of a surveillance to know who actually did this. Even the girl herself does not remember the number plate or does not recognize the people because they were masked and they had helmets on. So I hope, of course the police has already taken note of this and they are already investigating the matter. So I hope something fruitful comes out of that. But in the meantime, like I said, I encourage the children, no matter what, to just continue and go to school and do not disrupt their regular school activity because of this incident. And from the government side, from the society side, we have to be more vigilant. I think that is a very good idea. We should have more patrolling in these areas, especially areas where it seems these incidences are getting more rampant. So I think patrolling is one of the best ways we can manage the situation.